eldest son 長男長男 second son 次男次男 third son 三男三男 fourth son 四男四男 fifth son 五男五男 For example 何人兄弟ですか How many siblings do you have? 三人兄弟で僕は長男です。I have three siblings and I'm the eldest. 何人兄弟ですか三人兄弟で僕は長男です。Oldest daughter 長女長女 Second daughter 次女次女 Third daughter 三女三女 Fourth daughter 四女四女 Fifth daughter 五女五女 For example 長女は教師で次女は看護師三女はアーティストです。My oldest daughter is a teacher. My second daughter is a nurse. And my third daughter is an artist. 長女は教師で次女は看護師三女はアーティストです。We have a fun and good news for you. My new coloring book is on sale at Amazon.com. The title is Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。